Hi friends, I'm here at my cousin's place and I saw that she has got a Black & Decker chopper blender and it tempted me to make a demo review of that. Already I have uploaded BRAUN food processor demo in my channel, so this will be in addition to that. So let's see the product. This is the Black & Decker hand blender with chopper and whisk attachment. The model number is BXBL6002IN. This is the 500 ml chopper bowl and this is the chopper lid. There's a sharp blade which is used for chopping. It's got a rubber base which is used as a cover to the bowl. It has a 600 watt motor which gives fine chopping and blending. This is the removable blender shaft used for blending, mixing and pureeing. Because this is made of steel, it can be used even for blending hot food like soups, baby food, cooked dal, etc. This is a 700 ml cup or beaker with markings used for beating eggs and whisking cream. It has a rubber base which can be used as a lid. This is the whisk or egg fork used for beating eggs and cream. This is the main motor unit. It fits like this. It has two buttons, on off button. This is the turbo switch. This is the speed adjuster which is used to increase or decrease the speed. Turn anti-clockwise to unlock. Turn the motor unit clockwise to lock with the chopper lid. This is the wall rack used to fit the motor unit on the wall. The screws are provided. So for that I'll have to peel it first. So I just peel it, cut it into pieces and then put it in the chopper. So this is how it is chopped. So it is hardly done in less than 10 seconds. Now I have chopped it slightly bigger pieces. So whichever way you want, you can chop it. So I'm going to chop the onions now. I cut into 4. So if I increase the speed, it can. So if I want bigger size chopping, I can use the speed adjuster and accordingly I'll get the size. Now I'll show using the turbo, which is the maximum speed, to get fine chopped onions. I can do finer than this as well. I'm going to make tomato puree, for which I've got a tomato here, which I'm going to chop into 4, cook it in water, and then I'll be mashing it. I've already chopped them into halves like this. I've again used the speed adjuster. I'm not using the turbo here. The turbo will chop it very finely. With the speed adjuster, I have control of the size of the vegetable. So within 10 seconds, I've chopped it like this.